Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming back. So the Rideshare Hub is a great place for Uber and Lyft drivers to become better rideshare drivers. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over a super cool new way to make more money as an Uber and a Lyft driver. As an Uber and a Lyft driver, it's really important to maximize your income, maximize the time that you spend driving. And this really cool new company called Play Octopus actually pays Uber and Lyft drivers to put a tablet on in your car so your passengers can play games. I already made a video going over the earnings and how much I do make with this, so go ahead and check that out in the description below. But in today's video, I'm gonna set it up and show you exactly what it does look like from your passenger's perspective, because my passengers love it. It's super fun. Honestly, they love playing games. I have made more tips with it. I've made more money with it. Honestly, I totally recommend it. So again, you can sign up using my link in the description, but let's open this up. And I did take it off and put it back in the box. So I'm gonna open it up and show you what it looks like when you get your Play Octopus tablet for free, by the way. So let's open it up. Come, follow me. All right, so when you get your Play Octopus tablet box, you're gonna get a few things inside. If you can see here, the main thing is, of course, the tablet. This is, again, 100% free, and it actually does have a data plan on it too, which is super cool. It's not for your personal use, but your passengers will be able to play games on it, and it's super fun. And also, another important thing that they do give you is this, so you can strap it onto the back of your headrest. You don't need to make some duct tape contraption on your own. They give it to you. And the last two things that they give you is a charger and a cable that connects to the tablet so it doesn't run out of power. So let's go ahead and just set it up really quick. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take this thing, this strap, and you're gonna wanna unstrap it here. And then you want this to be facing right here. This is just an easy way to strap it in together. And then you actually do need to, you can actually come in from the front side and look at it. But you do need to pull it on pretty tight right there. And yeah, it doesn't need to be perfect, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And then you can come back over here. And then I like to have the import for the plug to be on this side, so it can be easier to hook into my plug in here. But this is actually how you attach it. It is actually kind of difficult. Well, it's not that hard, but you have to basically stick it in these hooks here and then put it there. And then this way, guys, I did have somebody ask me what happens if somebody steals it, but it's actually really hard to take off once it's on. So like, it's on really tight. So all right, and now I need to do the last one. And you just wrap it around here. You want to make sure this is on the top side, that little flag there. And now it is pretty much set up. All I need to do is plug it in. So you get this here, plug that in. And then you're gonna take this thing here and you can go on the front side. And then you're gonna plug it into your car right here. And it's really cool, they give you this and it has actually two plug-ins. So, you can charge your phone, which I do, and then you plug it in right there. And then now it is charging. So if you come back around here, you can see here, this is the battery power, and all you're gonna wanna do is turn it on. And you just pull this button right here. And now it is turning on. So as you can see, it does have it's powered by Sprint too, which is cool. And it automatically sets up. And look, this is what your passengers will see in the back. And so they're incentivized because your passengers can actually make $25 if they get the top score of the day, which is super cool. And look at this question right here. It's like trivia games. Prince Harry of Wales married which American actress? I have no clue. I'm not gonna guess because, you know, this is reserved for the passengers. But what I do like is that you have these little functions here, and I like to put it on nap mode because that way it's not invasive or anything. And all it says is tap to play. So your passengers, you know, they might be sitting here during the ride and they see tap to play and they might be intrigued. So, and every time your passenger plays a game, guys, you're gonna make money. It's really cool. Honestly, I think that Play Octopus just did launch in Los Angeles and Chicago at the time of this video, but soon they're gonna be nationwide, you know, as soon as, yeah, more people get it. So definitely check it out. And I honestly wouldn't be surprised if every single Uber and Lyft car in the future has some sort of tab on the back of the car. It just really makes sense economically to get your passenger to, you know, make you more money, because it is like pretty much advertising space on your car. So again, you can set up your own driver profile here. I have mine set up. You can see it. Yeah, here's the weather. Pretty cool. You know, shows the weather of the day. You can turn the volume up higher if you want. You can change the brightness settings. And then, oh, look at this question. Who is Luke Skywalker's father? Probably Darth Vader, I would assume. But basically, your passengers, you know, they're sitting in here. It's pretty nice. Like, when you're just sitting back and relaxing, you're sitting in a boring Uber car. Wow, I got the game to play now. Now I'm really occupied having super fun. Now I'm gonna tip my driver 20 bucks. You know, you can ask that. I mean, if your like, my passengers always ask me, like, what is the tablet for, at least the rides I've done so far. And a lot of times I'll say like, oh, you know, I'm just trying to make extra money, whatever. And like, usually that does help to make extra tips too. I mean, it is like super cool, super fun. It just spices up the ride a little bit. As you can see, I don't offer any like snacks, waters. I try to keep it as low key as possible. You know, low maintenance. Like, I don't want to go out and buy snacks every day or like waters. It just like costs too much money. But this is totally free and you actually make money with it. So for that reason, I really like it. I'm just gonna put it in nap mode for now while I finish this video. But yeah, guys, you can make an extra $100 a month. Yeah, $100 a month with this. So that's like over $1,000 per year if you're doing this, you know, full time. Obviously, part time is a great way to make a little bit extra money. You know, everything does help. And that 25 bucks per week, you can use it for gas for one of your days driving, or you know, if you're part time, yeah. I mean, you could use it for gas money. Everything does add up. All right, guys. So yeah, that is it. Again, yeah, really easy way to make extra money. If you're interested in signing up for Play Octopus, go ahead and sign up using the link in the description below and become part of the Play Octopus squad. You can become an octopus and you can play. Your passengers can play and you can be the octopus. I don't know. The sky's the limit, guys. But you can do so by using my link in the description below, and let me know when you have signed up. Let's do this together. Let's make more money. Again, an extra $100 a month. You can do a lot of things with an extra $100 a month. What would you do with an extra $100 a month? Maybe go, I don't know, buy some new sneakers, maybe a watch, maybe a ring, a diamond, maybe not diamond ring, maybe a Walmart ring. I don't know. Buy your girlfriend something nice with that extra $100. All right, guys, I'm rambling. That's it for the Rideshare Hubs video today. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button. As always, subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you want to make more money, you can subscribe. If you don't want to make more money, then I don't know. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I got a jet, so yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye guys.